Hola, buenos días. Es martes, el 1 de septiembre 2020. It's the 1st of September. Okay, guess what? I kind of started you off and threw you in maybe the deep end a little bit yesterday by saying, all right, do these activities, activity 10, 11, and 12. But I know only a few of you emailed, asked a few questions, so maybe a lot of you got it. So I want to walk you through real quick and see what it was that the expectation is, and maybe you can still finish it up this morning if you have some time, or later today, and then you'll be feeling pretty comfortable about it. So if we're on this first one right here, actividad 10, los números. The idea is tell how many people or things there are in the sentence, right? So número uno says, I blank profesores en mi escuela. And if you read the stuff before this page, you realize that I means there is. So they're saying there is, or there are, whatever it might be. So there are blank professors or teachers in my school. So how many are there? Now, the answer is obviously more than 30 or 31, but you can just put maybe, any number, and that'll work there. The only exact answers that need to be are numbers 3, where it says I blank letras en el abecedario español, which means there are blank letters in the Spanish alphabet, right? So probably most of you put the correct answer. And so that answer should be with everybody. Everybody should get that same answer. And then this one right here, and by the way, it did tell you what it was when you read the previous stuff, right? Okay, so then we keep going, and the next one, number 5 down here, is the other one that needs exact answer. It says, I blank vocales, and if you hover over the word vocales, any of these blue words, it'll tell you in English what the word is. En el abecedario español. So there are how many vowels in the Spanish alphabet? Have you noticed that the adjective español, which is Spanish, goes after the noun alphabet, which is abecedario? Also notice in English, we would capitalize Spanish, but in Spanish, those adjectives are not capitalized. Okay, so everything else, I hope, makes a little more sense. And for this particular activity, personas means persons or people, right? And up here, animales means animals. And mi casa, you've probably heard casa being house, right? And familia being family. So that's where the hope was that you would be comfortable doing those. And this one is, you can recognize numbers, and what you're doing is you're typing out. Oops. Oh, that was the model. Okay. So 5, 2, 9, 1, 0, 2, 1. So they're written out here for you. So for this one, you'll write out those. For this one, you'll write that out. But this one, you get to actually write the digits. So for ocho, you write the number 8. Uno, 1, and so on, right? And the same thing here. And the last one you write out in words again. Okay, actividad 12, activity 12. Now you just record saying 9, 8, 1 for the first 3, and then 1, 9, 4, 6, and then hit stop when you're finished. And go to the next one, hit record, pause, start, and then hit stop. I say pause because when you hit the record button, give it about a second just to make sure it catches that first thing that you say. Now, if you want to be fancy and fun, say the person's name. Rosa Ochoa, 4, 5, 8, 2, 8, 7, 2. It's not a race to get it done faster than anybody else, but don't also go at a tortoise speed if you don't have to, right? So the last one is Paulina Torres. And that's it for this one. So hope that makes more sense and clarifies. All right, hasta.